Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be trying out the Star Brite Salt Off concentrate and also a new pump sprayer. This one is by Solo. I saw these items in Auto Fanatics video last year as a way to remove salt deposits from your vehicle during the wintertime. So the Star Brite Salt Off removes salt deposits and leaves a protective PTEF coating, breaks down and dissolves salt deposits without harming the surface. The PTEF helps repel future salt deposits, ideal for removing salt deposits from towers, vinyl fishing gear, dive gear, trailers, and more. It's also ideal to flush outboard and inboard engines. So this might be geared more towards the marine industry, but you can also use it on vehicles. Removes salt deposits from fiberglass decks, vinyl painted surfaces, aluminum, chrome, stainless steel, magnesium, plastic, wood, glass, and rubber. It says it will not remove wax or polish. So we put 2 ounces in the Solo sprayer and filled it to the 2-liter mark with warm water. So I'm going to have a separate video on the Solo sprayer, but it does have a trigger lock. It has a hand pump, and then you can adjust the tip for the spray pattern. So it's warm enough to wash, but it's still windy outside, so it's probably too cold to wash with the pressure washer. And depending on how well this stuff removes the salt, may not be necessary to give the truck a full rinseless wash. It all depends how busy the car wash is, because I do plan on taking the truck there, pre-treating with this, and then fully rinsing the truck down, and then I'll see what condition it's in. For the initial part of this first use video, I will pre-treat a lower section on the truck. You want to let it sit for a couple minutes. Obviously you don't want it to dry on the surface, but let it do its work. And then I have an IK sprayer filled with CarPro Echo or EC2O, which is the waterless and rinseless wash solution, as my rinsing aid for this first test right outside the garage here at home on the truck. Okay, so here it's obvious. I'm just going to give you a quick walk around the side of the truck that shows the salt buildup from the roads being treated after some snow. It's obviously has a heavier buildup on the bottom section, and the running board is pretty nasty. But the door here and the majority of the truck from the windows down is pretty crusty. Okay, so here I'm applying the product to the truck. You can see that the Solo sprayer atomizes the solution pretty good, and then I'm going to speed up it dwelling. Next, I'm using the IK sprayer to remove or to rinse the salt off solution that I sprayed on the truck. It dwelled for about 2 to 3 minutes, and what I'm going to do is get a Minx Royale towel from the rag company, and I'm going to saturate the towel, and I'm going to pretty much give the truck a waterless wash, not even a rinseless wash. I'm not using a bucket. I'm just going to saturate the towel and do my best rolling method with the towel as to not really block the camera, and remove uh, the solution and kind of dry the truck, and then you'll see how clean it is once I'm done here. I will have the products used in the video linked in the description below. Any of the Amazon links used to order products does help the channel with a small commission. Okay, so I'm going to walk around the truck here after just a high pressured rinse. I did treat the truck from the bottom of the door glass down. I included the hood. I did not do the windshield or the roof. The truck has CarPro C Quartz UK 3.0, so that might be why some areas are still beading. The wheels are protected with C5 wheel armor, but as you can see, there is still some film on them. So this product is not a soap. It's just a added step for winter washing to pre-treat the surface and help neutralize the salt, and then you can rinse off. So as you can see from the middle of the doors down, due to traffic film and maybe some leftover salt residue, you can still see where the water just kind of pools. The wheels are dirty here. I'll show you here just with my finger, a little bit of brake dust and dirt. So the product can be used in a pump sprayer, a foam gun, and or a foam cannon. Again, you're not going to get any type of thick foam. It's not a soap. Again, just an item to pre-treat the surface if you have heavy salt contamination. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.